Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add a card on any iPhone. You can add a card to Apple Wallet on your iPhone, iPad, Mac with Touch ID or Apple Watch. First of all, launch the Wallet app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Then select a card type. You can choose debit or credit card, transit card or state ID. The options vary with reason. Then tap Continue button available there. Now place the card so it appears in the frame. Now tap Enter card details manually if the app can't retrieve your card info. Then follow the on-screen instructions to add your card. After entering the info or scanning your card, the app will prompt you to enter details like the security code and billing address. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.